Today in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create any folder at runtime using Java code. So for that purpose, I will take the example of this location. I have a location D Pradeep data and test here. So currently this folder is empty and I will create a new folder with the name of God in this test folder. Okay, so for that purpose, this is my ID Eclipse here, and I have a class practice, and this is main method. So the first thing you have to do that you have to create a variable name like folder path. Okay, so I'm creating this variable, so you can write a proper code for that. So first of all, you have to declare a variable and now go to your location and copy the path here. So this is the path where you want to create the folder. So I just pasted a path and / I will give the name of the, you can say, folder which I want to create. So D Pradeep data test, and then I have given / God. It means I want to create a God folder under this location. So this is the first thing you have to write. Second thing, Java contains a class that is called file. So you have to create a file object here. So you can give the reference name. You can say that file, and now file equal to new file here. So you have to create the object of this file class, and now this file class contains multiple constructor. You have to use the first one where you have to pass the path of the file. So I have just, you can say, use this one. So this is the thing, you have given the folder path, and then you have to create a object of a file by giving the folder path. And now after that, simply using this file, you have to call a method that is called mkdirs. You have to call below one, mkdirs one, and the return type of this function is boolean. So whenever you are going to you can say execute this program, it will create a folder. If you want to check this thing in your itself, the program, that folder is created or not, so you can do one thing. Because the return type of this function is a boolean, so I can store the output in a boolean variable, boolean boolean, and I will give the, you can say, variable name is folder created. I'm giving a meaningful name for my variable here. Now I will do one thing. I will write a condition so that you can easily print whether your folder is created or not. That is not needed, but I'm going to check it in my code itself. So if is folder created equal to true, if this value is true, I will simply print a message that is called folder created. Okay, I will say that folder created. And now if you can say the value will be false, you will see that the message will be folder not created. Okay, so now you can say that. So I'm going to run this program. Before that, let me again re-verify my test folder is empty. So I will go to here and I'm going to run this code here. So now let me run this. So when it is going to execute, you will see that I got the message folder created. It means the value of this is folder created variable was true. And if I go here, I will see that under my test, I have a folder got. So it is created here. Okay. So now here I want to tell you one more thing. If I'm going to run this program again, so what will happen? At that time, whenever I'm going to run this program again, what will happen? The execution will go to this line and it will try to create a folder. But because the folder is already there, so it will not create a new folder. So that's why the value of is folder created will be false and it will go to the else condition. Reason is that folder is already created in the previous run. So if I'm going to run it again, just see that I'm getting the output folder not created because folder was already there. That's why we got it output. Okay. So if still you have any doubt, if you have any question, you can put your doubts and question in the comment of this video. And if you like the video, you can click on the like button. Thank you.